Trying to take apart an industrial icon is never easy, especially when it's as old as GE. How do you get a structure in place to navigate the complexity of separating three companies?
The magnitude was tremendous, not only around processes and legal entities, but we also had to move and position nearly 80,000 employees to make sure that they were in the right legal entity at the time of spin.
We supported the stand-up of over 95 payroll systems. There was 231 ERP separations, 22 periods with audit and reviews, 14 SEC filings across the multiple transactions. It was massive.
The PwC team stepped in and was just a trusted partner in helping us develop those financial statements. And we successfully got credit ratings. We successfully got our investors, successfully got through the SEC process seamlessly on all three spins.